Hi, it's me Loran with the One Water Yacht Group. I'm going to give you a brief recap of the Miami Yacht Show 2022. I'm here at the Sunseeker display where we have another stunning lineup of Sunseeker yachts.
Welcome to Sunseeker.
First great entry-level Predator is on my side here is the Predator 55, which has the Volvo 725 horsepower engines. In the Predator 55 garage you can fit a Williams 325 and she's beautifully built with an American walnut. Behind the Predator 55 we have the all-new Sport Yacht 65, which is a complete new haul. Lots of innovation and technology behind this new 65. I actually have another video of it, of the Sport Yacht 65. The garage fits a 345 and actually it's a very square garage, so you can have other toys next to the tender. She's equipped with the IPS 1350s, which will give you a top speed of 35 knots. Opposite of the 55 Predator and the 65 Sport Yacht, we have the Manhattan series, and we have the Manhattan 55 and the 68 Manhattan. The 55 Manhattan, which also you can find a video on my YouTube channel, is in a silver oak. The 68 Manhattan shows up very well here. You have all the space for any of your water toys, scuba tanks, fins or towels. You can fit 2 sea-bobs under here. And here's the crew entrance for 2. I have another video on YouTube if you want to see it more in detail. This particular 68 Manhattan at the show, she has the smoked eucalyptus interior. I will do a longer review of the 74 Sport Yacht. The 74 Sport Yacht you can also have in the Predator version, which you will have a full carbon sliding roof. The garage will fit a Williams Tender 395. Both 74 Sport Yacht and 74 Predator have a huge entertainment space on the aft cockpit area with seats at least 10 people. The aft cockpit area completely opens up with a rise and fall window in the back. And as you can see here, the salon, absolutely stunning. And look at all these beautiful detail, the carbon fibers, for example, in the chairs. And at the end, the flagship of them all, the 76 Yacht. This is a Galley Aft version and she already proved to be extremely popular and a lot of people were very interested in this beautiful yacht. The feedback during the Miami Yacht Show on the 76 Yacht was the practicality and the absolutely stunning layout and the space this beautiful 76 Yacht has to offer. This was a brief recap of the Miami Yacht Show 2022 of the stunning lineup of Sunseeker Yachts. As I promised you, I will have a very detailed review of the 70 Sport Yacht over here, which is based in Fort Lauderdale.